Welcome to this Selfomy One tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to copy content from another syllabus into your current syllabus in just a few simple steps. The Import Content feature allows you to reuse sections, lessons, and learning units from existing syllabus, helping you save time and speed up syllabus design. Step 1. Access the import interface. First, go to the Classroom section. Then select Syllabuses and click Create a Curriculum. Fill in the basic information. Then click Create Content to enter the Syllabus Builder. Step 2. Start importing content. On the Syllabus Content page, you'll see the Import section button. Click this to begin copying content from another syllabus. Step 3. Select the source program and content. A new window will appear. Here, you can search for and choose an existing syllabus in the system. Then, select the sections, lessons, or content you want to copy into your current syllabus. Finally, click Import to complete the process. The selected content will instantly appear in your current syllabus. In addition, the platform also supports extended importing options. After completing the import, you can continue adding more content by clicking Import Content to add content, clicking Import Section or the import icon to add new sections. And that's it, you've successfully copied content from another syllabus into your current syllabus on Selfomy One. We hope this helps you design your courses faster and more efficiently.